Rapper and singer Sean Kingston has been booked into a Florida jail after he and his mother were charged with committing more than $1 million worth of fraud. The 34-year-old, whose real name is Keyshawn Anderson, was locked up in the Broward County Jail on Sunday after being extradited from California in the wake of his arrest last month. The Beautiful Girls singer is slated to go before a judge later on Monday, according to Local 10 News. Kingston and his mother, Janice Turner, 61, were both slapped with a slew of charges, including conducting an organized scheme to defraud, grand theft, identity theft and related crimes, according to arrest warrants. They are accused of stealing hundreds of thousands in cash from Bank of America and First Republic Bank, nearly $500,000 worth of jewelry, a $160,000 Cadillac Escalade and more than $80,000 in furniture, authorities said. The exact details of their alleged fraud scheme, which authorities say went down between October of 2023 to March of this year, wasn't immediately clear. Kingston was arrested on May 23 at Fort Irwin, a U.S. Army training base in California's Mojave Desert where he was performing. His mom was arrested the same day when a SWAT team raided Kingston's rented mansion in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. People love negative energy. I am good and so is my mother. My lawyers are handling everything as we speak, the performer posted on Instagram in the wake of the raid. As of Monday morning, Kingston was still locked up on a $100,000 bond on 9 different felony charges, according to online jail records. He was already on 2 years probation for trafficking stolen property. Turner, who is facing 8 charges in total, was cut loose from custody last Sunday after posting a $160,000 bond. His mom pleaded guilty in 2006 to bank fraud for stealing more than $160,000. She served nearly 2 years in prison, federal court records show. The Jamaican-American performer had a #1 hit with Beautiful Girls in 2007 and collaborated with Justin Bieber on the song Deenie Meenie. Robert Rosenblatt, an attorney for Kingston and his mother, previously said they looked forward to addressing the charges in a Florida court and are confident of a successful resolution. This isn't the first time Kingston has been called out for scamming people. For more than a decade, Kingston has been sued for bounced checks or missed payments when shopping for expensive jewelry. He's been ordered to pay back hundreds of thousands of dollars several times. In 2014, Aviani the jeweler was awarded $355,000 in a lawsuit against Kingston and Turner, who were accused of not paying $225,000 in jewelry bills. Sean Kingston and his mother schemed for months to defraud an exotic car dealer, mattress seller, jewelry store, and banks of hundreds of thousands of dollars, newly released documents reveal. The alleged plot led to the pair's arrest and Thursday's South Florida mansion raid. From October to March, Broward detectives say Kingston and Turner defrauded a slew of companies of over $1.1 million, according to a Broward Sheriff's Office warrant. The alleged scheme began on October 24, when Turner defrauded Bank of America out of $100,000. Detectives say Kingston aided in getting the funds, according to the arrest warrant. Kingston and Turner then went after Marie Matricella and obtained furniture worth $86,568.33 on November 15. According to its website, Marie also sells frames, sheets, and comforters. On the same day, Turner issued a check for $44,298.33, which bounced because of insufficient funds. It's unclear who the check was given to, but detectives say Kingston also aided in the crime, the warrant says. On November 21, the pair obtained a Cadillac Escalade from Ocean Auto Club, an exotic car dealer in Doral and Coral Gables. The warrant says Kingston and Turner temporarily or permanently deprived the dealer of the car, which was valued at $159,701.49. Turner defrauded First Republic Bank of $100,000 or more on the same day, with Kingston's aid, the warrant said. On his own, the musician defrauded Novo Platform Incorporated, a bank, of $5,000 on January 15, according to the warrant. On March 14, authorities say Kingston and Turner committed their largest fraud scheme. The two took $480,000 in jewelry from Andriy Nikolenko, according to the warrant. It is unclear whether Nikolenko is a jeweler or owns the items. That same day, the BSO warrant said Turner defrauded Bank of America out of $100,000. Meanwhile, amid the allegations, Kingston was on probation, adding another charge to his rap sheet. At his bond hearing on Monday, the judge listed the 10 criminal charges against him, which included grand theft, fraud, and criminal use of personal identification. Mr. Kingston's May 23 arrest occurred the same day police raided his home in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, and arrested his 61-year-old mother, Janice Turner. Arrest warrants allege that the pair stole money, jewelry, a Cadillac Escalade and furniture, exceeding $1 million. Mr. Kingston, who was on probation for trafficking stolen property at the time of his arrest, has also been charged with violation of probation. He was under coercion when he signed the waiver allowing his extradition to Florida without contest, his lawyer Bob Rosenblatt said. Mr. Rosenblatt said Mr. Kingston plans to enter a not guilty plea. "I don't know who is claiming they owe money," he said, according to the BBC's media partner CBS News. "We were aware of the watches, we are aware of the TV issue. If there are other issues I'm not sure about. It's a breach of contract. There's no fraud here. There's no organized fraud at all." In a separate case, which appears to have been referenced by Mr. Rosenblatt, a company has accused Mr. Kingston of not fully paying for a large TV and sound system. The company claims Mr. Kingston induced the business to install the products with as small a down payment as possible by making numerous false representations, including a suggestion that he would create promotional videos for the company with Justin Bieber. Mr. Kingston, a Jamaican-born singer known for hits such as Beautiful Girls, Fire Burning, and Eeny Meeny, shared a statement on his Instagram account before he and his mother were arrested last month. "I am good and so is my mother," he wrote. "My lawyers are handling everything as we speak." Singer Sean Kingston walked out of Broward County Jail Tuesday night after a home mortgage was put up as collateral for his $100,000 bond. Local television cameras, including that of Miami Herald News partner CBS News Miami, caught the 34-year-old Kingston leaving the jail in Fort Lauderdale with a towel over his head as he ignored questions about the 9 counts of theft and fraud charges facing he and his mother, Janice Turner. Bob Rosenblatt of the Rosenblatt law firm, Kingston's criminal defense lawyer, said in an email to the Herald, "He will enter a plea of not guilty and we look forward to challenging the allegations in court." One of the limitations of Kingston's bond is that he shall have no contact, directly or indirectly, with any co-defendants or state witnesses, an order that includes his mother. Court records list Turner's address not as the Southwest Ranch's house that Kingston is renting from a Long Island couple, but as a Sunrise house owned by a relative. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share, comment and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.